currently, cosmologists, physicists continue to puzzle what exactly is that. And I honestly think that the church, going all the way back to Galileo and coming to the present day Franciscans and Jesuits and the beautiful observatories that the Vatican has invested in, I think that they're after the same exact answer that the scientists are after. And I actually find a lot of humility on both sides of that conversation. I don't find as much infighting between the church and scientists as was maybe when I was a child in the 60s. So all of them looking for the same answer. As it relates to your question about Lamaitière and Einstein, so you can understand Einstein was a rock star amongst the scientific community. E equals mc squared quickly became a bedrock of science. His formulations were revered. And along comes this relatively unknown cosmologist, physicist from Belgium, Lamaitière, and he's a Jesuit priest as well. And so he comes with this very curious resume. And he starts to peel back E equals mc squared, and he's convinced of something. He's convinced that Einstein had it wrong. And that's pretty gutsy if you want to be beloved in your community. And there was some infighting for several years between those two gentlemen. And then come forward about 6 years, and Edwin Hubble, here in the United States, concluded almost identical to Lamaitière. He too concluded that the notion that the universe is in stasis is misinformed, that the calculations just don't stand. And then there was this movement towards possibly, the universe continued to expand. And then in my generation, in the year 1990, NASA, and I appreciate that this is all theoretical in these decades, NASA launches the aptly named Hubble Space Telescope into outer space, and here humanity starts to get back the gift of these photographs in the furthest reaches of outer space. Was Hubble right? Was Einstein right? And what they discovered, that's not really true. What has been discovered in the 30 years since that launch is that roughly 400 million stars were born today.